Hello, Fredericksburg. I'm Ryder from Red Dragon Brewery.
Hey, Fredericksburg. My name's Ben. I'm with Maggie's, and we got something really exciting to share with you today. The sodas that we make here at Maggie's are our original three staples. We have our root beer, cream soda, and ginger ale, and the orange creamsicle, which is brand new. Our sodas, we don't use any artificial sweeteners, corn syrup. It's all 100% cane sugar and honey. So Ryder and I met at Maggie's actually, and he came in just as a customer. Initial talks came up about having the sodas on tap at Red Dragon.
So we just had the opportunity. We had finally figured out how to splice in and get soda going at our facility, which is something that was new for us. And we were excited to partner with them to have somebody make such a fresh and delicious soda that we could just pour right out of a tap, which was really exciting.
Maggie had done some research and discovered this beverage called a Shandygaff.
Pretty
It's
cool.
an old British Isles thing. Apparently it was Charles Dickens' favorite beverage. Beer with the soda.
Yeah, so we take our Fredericksburg lager, which is our traditional American lager, and we mix that with the Maggie's ginger ale. And so what that does is it gives it a little bit of a lighter, crisper flavor, so you get that like maltiness out of the beer, but it sweetens it a little bit, so it's a little bit more refreshing. Yeah, definitely something that we took and expounded with, and it really took off. So it's been a permanent staple on our menu, and we've expanded from there. We now have a stout that mixes with the root beer that is fantastic, called a Blackjack, that's pretty tasty. We also mix the orange creamsicle with our sour, and all three can be found in our seltzers, which are available gluten-free options that we mix with that make a hard soda. So it's Maggie's hard soda here at Red Dragon as well.
You can only find it at Red Dragon too.
Yeah.
Come on down to Maggie's at 820 Caroline. We have some great sandwiches. We have our sodas on tap. If you're looking to go somewhere for a little more fun,
we have their sodas with a kick. We add our beer, we add our seltzer, and we have a great lineup for you.
stay tuned for future FXBG Finds.
Stay tuned for future FXBG Finds.